Let that settle for a moment. You are not just carrying genetic information. You are carrying 6 feet of precisely folded, intricately coded biological text inside each of approximately 37 trillion cells. The total length of all the DNA in one human body would reach roughly 67 billion kilometers. That is not a rounding error. That is the scale of what the Creator placed inside you. And yet, that molecule, the entire human genome, contains only about 3.2 billion base pairs of genetic code. If you read one base pair per second, without sleeping, without stopping, it would take over a century to finish. 100 years of reading, and you would have read one person. But here is what is stranger. Of all that code, modern science has confirmed that protein-coding genes account for only about 1.5% of the human genome. For decades, the rest was dismissed as meaningless. Researchers now know that much of it regulates, coordinates, and controls a vast, layered instruction system whose full depth we are only beginning to understand. And yet, even more surprising, two unrelated humans share approximately 99.9% of their DNA sequence. The entire visible diversity of humanity, every face, every voice, every difference between 8 billion people, lives inside that remaining 0.1%. Even more remarkable, you share roughly 98.7% of your functional DNA with chimpanzees, and about 60% with the banana. Not because of chance, but because the Creator used common biological chemistry as the foundation of life. Now consider this. DNA replicates, copies itself, at a rate of roughly 50 base pairs per second per replication fork. And your body runs thousands of those forks simultaneously, completing the duplication of an entire genome in as little as 8 hours, with an error rate of approximately 1 mistake per billion base pairs copied. But the deepest fact of all, that molecule was stable enough to survive inside a woolly mammoth frozen for 700,000 years and still be read by scientists today. The information was intact, 700,000 years preserved as if it were waiting to be found. What we call code, what we call design, it did not write itself.